Why are developers racing to build SaaS products right now? Because the SaaS market is expected to hit $900 billion by 2030 year. And with AI, the barrier to entry has never been lower. But here is the problem: building a SaaS in 2025 without a right tech stack is like driving a Tesla with a horse and buggy engine. It just doesn't work. Hey devs, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down exact tech stack you need to build a production-ready monetized SaaS in 2025. We are talking authentication, email, database, payments, beautiful UI, and of course AI. All optimized for speed, cost, and developer experience. The best part, this tech can cost under $100 a month to run, can be built in weekends, and scales to millions of users. By the end of this video, you will have battle-tested stack that is powering $1 million startups right now. Let's dive in. Let's start with foundation authentication. In 2025, you cannot afford to roll your own oath. Security vulnerabilities, session management, oath providers, it's a nightmare. After working extensively with modern oath solutions, my go-to is Clerk. Clerk has pre-built components, multi-factor oath out of the box, organization and team management built in, free tier and social logins in 3 lines of code. And to be honest, you can set up all social logins in 10 minutes. Plus, Clerk handles all security patches, compliance, and scaling. You focus on your product features, no password reset flows. Next up, email. Every SaaS needs transactional emails, notifications, welcome emails, or invoices. For years, we were struck with SendGrid or Mailgun, and it's powerful, but honestly, the developer experience was terrible. Then Resend came along and changed the game. And as they mention in their homepage, email for developers, and it's actually true. Integration of Resend into your app takes around 10 lines of code. They provide React email templates, and the most important, Resend has free tier. You can send 100 emails a day or 3000 emails per month. Resend provides integration guides to most of the popular languages and framework. Here we can see Node.js, Python, Go, Rust, Java. And here is what makes Resend absolute killer in 2025. React email. You build your own email templates in React components. TypeScript support, reusable components, it just like build your frontend. And in that snippet you can see how easy to send email. Now for the backbone of your SaaS. The database. And this is where things gets interesting. In 2025, you need just more than database. You need real-time subscriptions, file storage, edge functions, and all of it needs to scale. And here is Supabase, the open source Firebase alternative that's taken over. And I love their slogan, build in a weekend, scale to millions. And currently Supabase is very popular. A lot of SaaS actually using Supabase, especially MVPs. As per statistics, in 2025, more than 1 million developers using Supabase. And one of the best benefits of that product that it has good free tier. You have 500 megabytes database and 1 gigabyte file storage. And here is what you get out of the box. Number 1, Postgres database with PostGIS for geospatial, full text search and custom extensions. Number 2, real-time subscriptions. Number 3, storage for files, which is S3 compatible. Number 4, edge functions. And number 5, row-level security. And actually this is huge. You write Postgres SQL policies that automatically secure your data. And also I have to mention that Supabase perfectly integrates with modern frameworks like Next.js, Remix or SvelteKit. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. How do you actually make money from your SaaS? You need payments. And in 2025 there is only one answer. Stripe. Now I know some of you thinking, what about Paddle or Lemon Squeezy? Look, they are fine for simple use cases. But if you want flexibility, global reach and ability to scale, Stripe is still the gold standard. It powers more than 100 countries, supports almost 200 currencies, and it has subscriptions, one-time or usage-based pricing. But here is what makes Stripe perfect for our stack. Stripe checkout and customer portal. These are pre-built hosted pages for payments and subscriptions management. You literally redirect user to Stripe, they handle the payment and redirect back to your app. And that's done. An additional benefit that Stripe perfectly integrates with Clerk. So that's definitely my number one pick for SaaS payments. Now you got Auth, email, database, and payments. But users don't care about your backend stack if your UI looks like it's from 2010. This is where Shadcn UI changes everything. In my case, I use React to build UI, so that's why I added Shadcn UI to my stack. Shadcn UI, it's not component library in a traditional sense. It's a collection of beautifully designed, accessible React components that you copy directly into your project. It's easy to install and integrate it to your project, and you have everything you need for modern SaaS. Finally, the secret sauce in 2025. AI. More than 80% of SaaS companies now using AI features. And those features actually have good impact on conversion rates. And here I would be brave. For the first iteration MVP, I would prefer to use the cheapest model. And in this case, DeepSeek will be the perfect pick. After you get first customers and payments or you got investments, you can consider bigger model. But along with DeepSeek, there are pretty good OpenAI models, which doesn't cost a lot and also can serve your purposes. So my advice here is just to build smart router inside your app so you can switch these models very easy. That's the complete 2025 SaaS stack. Authentication, email, database, payments, UI, and AI. Everything you need to go from idea to paying customers. Now here is my question. What tools are you using for your SaaS? Agree with my choices? Drop your stack in the comments. I want to know what's working for you. And if you want step-by-step tutorials of any of these tools, I have already made videos on most of them. Full playlist in the description. Like the video if this helped, subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.